Welcome to 20 Falstaff Crescent, a wonderful 4-bedroom brick home with 3 washrooms situated within the high-demand Rolling Acres neighbourhood of West Whitby. The west-facing interlocking front terrace enjoys warm afternoon light, a great space for a patio garden, and through the front entrance is a home with a warm and inviting aura as well. Ceramic flooring is featured in the main level's spacious reception area, a side hall and its related rooms, and the kitchen. While updated wide plank hardwood flooring is showcased in the living, dining, and family rooms, as well as the den. The formal entertaining spaces are open to each other, with an oversized west-facing bay window spilling natural light into the living room, while a beautiful vintage-style chandelier casts an ambient glow within the dining room. This elegant space also has a window for natural light and 2 separate entries, one from the kitchen, the other off the main hall. A great meal prep space that blends modern elegance with great functionality, the kitchen showcases dark-colored cabinetry with upgraded hardware as a complementary accent to the stainless steel appliances, which include a built-in microwave and dishwasher, oven, and French door fridge. A multi-tonal mosaic backsplash creates visual interest, while a quartz counter with peninsula seating adds striking color contrast, and an east-facing window above the stainless steel double sink allows for natural light as well as backyard views. The walkout from the breakfast area opens onto a large 2-tiered deck that is partially covered by a metal gazebo, and which steps down to a backyard that is an outdoor oasis of natural beauty surrounded by evergreens, shrubs, and seasonal shade trees. The family room exudes warmth, and with light through an east-facing window, backyard greenery views, and the coziness of a wood-burning brick fireplace, this room is sure to be a favorite for good times with friends and family. This home also features an unfinished lower level with a cold room that has amazing potential for future recreational and entertaining space, and the main level additionally features a coat closet with mirrored doors in the foyer, a powder room, a laundry room with washer, dryer, and access to a double-car garage, as well as a nicely sized den that would also be ideal as a private home office. A hardwood staircase with carpet runner carries to the upper level, which showcases cozy broadroom throughout, 4 spacious bedrooms, all with good-sized windows, a linen closet, and 2 washrooms. The west-facing 3rd and 4th bedrooms have double-sized closets with single doors, while the east-facing 2nd bedroom has an oversized double closet with double doors. And all 3 of these bedrooms can accommodate sitting or study areas. A great home and neighbourhood for growing families, there are walking and biking trails, as well as numerous parks and green spaces nearby, and this home is within the catchment area of highly rated schools, including Fallingbrook Public and Sinclair Secondary Schools, as well as Julie Payette Public, St. Mark the Evangelist Catholic Elementary, Donald A. Wilson Secondary, and Father Leo J. Austin Catholic Secondary Schools, which offer French immersion programs. Just off the staircase landing is the 5-piece common-use washroom, which features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as a wall-to-wall vanity with a quartz counter and undermount basins. The master suite is a private, generously sized retreat, its bedroom having a west-facing exposure and ample space for a nicely sized sitting area. The walk-in closet is also quite spacious, and its 4-piece ensuite washroom, which is bright and filled with natural light through 2 windows, showcases ceramic finishes, a step-up soaker tub, a vanity with marble counter and undermount basin, as well as a glass shower. With a grocery store for everyday convenience close at hand, this home is also minutes by car to big box shopping malls along Taunton Road, while the Entertainment Centrum, Durham College and Trent University campuses, recreational and sports facilities, the GO Station, Whitby's exceptional waterfront parks and beaches, as well as access to Highways 401 and the 407 are just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.